Alrighty, so I just got wrapped up editing the video that you are about to watch, but I quickly wanted to preface the video with a little bit of discussion about the title, the fact that I want to start vlogging. If you've seen my videos on my channel for the past year or two, they've all been taken here sitting at this desk, and the topics have ranged from me talking about drones, talking about how to fly drones, talking about how to take photos with drones, talking about how to take videos with drones, and I kind of just want to start doing the creating, right? Like I kind of just want to get out there and fly my drone and share the footage that I shoot with you and bring you along to the adventures that I go on with my drones, because over the past 2 years, I've taken a lot of great trips. I've captured a lot of great photographs with my drones, which if you guys aren't following me, I'll throw my Instagram link down in the description because I've posted a lot over there as of recent. But that's the point, is that I've only taken photographs. Like every single time that I go out on a trip, I come back and I have this SD card filled with hundreds of photographs, but zero video clips. And I think that it's just a little bit of laziness, I guess I would call it, because you can go out there and you can snap photographs and edit them, and there is definitely skill to shooting these photographs, but with a video, you've got to like come up with a story, and there's a lot of shooting involved and a lot of planning involved, and that's what all of my videos are. They are scripted, right? All the informational tutorial videos that I have are scripted so that I know exactly what I'm saying to you, but instead I want to kind of flip the script, I guess, or kind of change things around and go unscripted. Just go out and fly my drone and share the video with you guys. And that's what I did like 2 weeks ago. This is when that footage was from, 2 weeks ago when Ken came up and visited me and we went up to Rhode Island. So I'm really excited to share with you guys. I thought the footage that I shot was really good and I want to start doing this more. I want to start creating more videos like this because they're just fun. But don't worry, I'm not going to totally kick my tutorial videos and reviews to the side because of course I love doing all of that stuff. But I feel like this kind of brings my channel full circle. It kind of makes it more well-rounded. Not only am I spitting all this information off at you guys, but I'm also showing you that I know how to fly a drone and take photos and videos with it, and I'm not just talking about them. So hope you guys enjoy the video. To quickly catch you guys up to speed, again, Ken came up here from Florida to Philadelphia and visited me, but we didn't even stay in Philadelphia. We shot straight up the New Jersey Turnpike. We first got to Connecticut and we started flying at some dam, I think along the Housatonic River. It really wasn't the best spot. We then moved on to Hartford, but again, really wasn't the best spot. There was like a minor league baseball game going on nearby. We didn't want to fly near that, so that was kind of a wash. But then we finally got to Rhode Island. All right, I swear, Ken and I have been late everywhere that we've been trying to go. We were late in the morning to the Rhode Island drone meetup group, meetup out in Providence. That was great, got to meet a ton of awesome people. I also, of course, got a lot of great footage up there, some cool photos as well. But now we're at our second location in Newport, and even though we didn't have like a hard time to get here, the light is just, I wish it was a little bit better. The sun is just a little bit low. But anyway, we're here in Newport. We're actually technically in Jamestown flying to Newport, but regardless, beautiful scenery. Here's the issue though. Dead battery, dead battery, dead battery, dead battery, kind of dead battery, and somewhat dead battery. With that said, I don't have that much power to fly this view, and I don't think I have much time left until Ken kills me. Enjoy the footage. All right, so made it out of Providence, Rhode Island. We are here in Medfield, Massachusetts. We flew in Boston a little bit earlier today. Ken is crashing his 5-inch. Right now we're in Medfield. We're at Medfield State Hospital, and it's like a park. Like, they've actually kept the grounds pretty nice. They've kind of boarded up the buildings. They've cleaned up the landscaping. You know, there's some weeds and stuff around, but hey, at the end of the day, it's a park. It's a really cool spot that they've made for people to come and walk their dog, for us, fly our drones, ride the one wheel around. I think there's some basketball courts over there. I mean, there's a gate, you can pull right in, so it's not like you're trespassing. Now, I do still enjoy those kind of off the beaten path, abandoned places that you can go and fly, but regardless, this is cool. This is like a different change of pace. So today we're in Massachusetts. We're flying all around the state. We're gonna head out towards Cape Cod. Again, we were in Boston earlier this morning. I took a look at that Providence footage and the Rhode Island footage. Looks pretty good, but the second half of this video is going to be here in Massachusetts. So hope you guys enjoy.